The first prehistoric feast. A long, long time ago, when things were very different, a young cowboy named Thor had a big idea. He wanted to have a special meal, a feast, for his tribe. Back then, people ate simple things like fruits, nuts, and plants. But Thor wanted to find more delicious things to eat. He decided to go on an adventure to find new foods. Thor walked in the forest, went up hills, and followed the river. He found sweet fruits, tasty nuts, and good-smelling herbs. He also learned how to catch fish from the river and saw birds getting their food. After some time, Thor came back to his tribe. He showed them the new foods he found. Everyone was happy and excited. With his tribe, Thor made a fire. They cooked fish, roasted nuts, and had a yummy dessert with the new fruits. The tribe felt happy and close together. During the feast, they talked and laughed. They tried the new foods and liked them. They were thankful for Thor's hard work. The first feast was a success. Thor's dream came true. The tribe remembered his adventure and the good foods for many years. Thor's story taught them that trying new things and being together could make everyone happy. And so, the tale of Thor's first feast was passed down, reminding everyone of the fun they could have by trying new things and sharing with friends. The end.